So I come in from prayer meeting. Yeah, we just prayed for the Jamaica diaspora. It's a prayer meeting for Jamaica. And may I tell you, say, you know, when you see how much things are happening in Jamaica, sometimes it really hurts. You know? Because you come from Jamaica and you know that Jamaica is paradise. Especially those of us who live a foreign. So you live a foreign, at that time you appreciate Jamaica. I wish that every single local youth in a Jamaica would have get the opportunity to travel overseas. So that them get an idea and understanding that Jamaica a paradise. So we pray for the country, you know. Pray for crime and violence and, you know, the demoralization of the country. Let me tell you something. A whole heap of influence Jamaican music have on the people in a Jamaica, on the world. And I give all of the artists them who sing positivity. I not talk about Christian artists, I talk about Jamaican reggae artists who sing positive music. We keep the music clean, where them intent and purpose is to just bring about a good vibe. But you see the youth them where, you know, gone off of the scale with the immorality and attack some slackness and them dirty thing then and an overly gun-toting argument. You know what? To be honest with you, from my youth, we should have stemmed the music there. Beanie Man and Bounty Killer and, you know, Ninja Man and all of them man there were allowed to play them type of music where I said it where them want to say from them there. We should have really and truly censored them from them there so that the younger youth, them the Vibes Cartel and the Tammy Lee and all of the other little youth, them will come up, had some sense of responsibility. And now that Beanie Man and Bounty Killer become big man and start to see what life is, and now them start to say certain things not go on in the music. But remember the days them when them did a sing slackness. All in all, if them can make a better change right now, with Beanie Man as my brethren, because I used to grow up amongst them man, the Goldie, I'm a Beanie Man's sister, I'm a friend. With the whole of a clown of you and then. If him look for me right now, I'm going to know say him know me. Elephant Man, the youth, them youth there, you know, we work with and do all heap of things. You understand? Me involved in the music back in them days as well and television and all of that. But if them youth they can take up the sense of responsibility now and start and say, let us try to influence the younger youth them. Certain guys who are come on the scene now, not that you actually kill a man food, but certain guys who are come on the scene now, you know, not try to instruct them on how to do the right thing, how to approach things better, how to have a sense of spirituality back in Jamaica. Because even man who sing reggae music used to have an overwhelming sense of spirituality. You know, no man never there flirt with demonism, and no man never there flirt with you know, alternative lifestyle and them thing there. We can build back Jamaica, you know. I tell you that. I love the people them in a foreign where I do the best them can. Voices have changed. My friend Gian from over there in Chicago. You know, many other people, the website them where promote positivity. I am Jamaica, I feel with Jamaica, you know. All of the people them who do what them can do. We are applaud, you know, keep the fire burning because Jamaica is our little paradise, is our little land, and when foreign get tough upon we, because people think living a foreign a better road is a hard thing, one of the hardest thing in a life if you live a foreign. May I tell you that, enough people don't know that. You know, see with they are foreign and things might look like it come easy, but it not come easy. Remember tell you, when you say they are foreign, you work like slave, you work like slave. And every job is a job in a foreign. No man now say, oh, me too big for do that or me too better than that. Every man I do what them have to do just to make it, because the day you not have your rent one time, them a put you out. The day when you don't have your car payment one time, them a take back the car from you. You understand? I mean, there's no neighbor for go over and say beg you look of sugar. You mad? You can't beg neighbors of foreign sugar. You idiot. Them a call police, say you harass them. So when you live at Jamaica and you can do something about your surrounding, you know, if you try to influence the whole island now, just make sure the 4 house them around you or the 3 house them around you live good. And if them 3 house they live good with the 3 outside of them, and then the 3 outside of them live good with the 3 outside of them, Jamaica can change. You understand? And we can tell the politicians them to stop the foolishness. Politicians influence youth and bring in gun, come give youth in a garrison and make you shoot up them one another. You know? And drugs and weed cause the demise of Jamaica as much as political, you know, factionization and misrepresentative, you know, and them scarce benefit and spoils and them thing there. A Ramblings of Hope, you know. Remember if you like me on Facebook, Ramblings of Hope, and go up on YouTube and check it out and think Jamaica, we say we talk tonight about Jamaica, you see? Because independence today is almost Independence Day. You understand? And in a foreign, nobody not remember. I just we little Jamaican member say independence in a whole little butchery. And we say, way, and put on one Jamaica color shirt, and then by the next day, we're going back at work. Bottom line, nobody no care. So we start the things that we big up Jamaica. You see? I may drive home in the night. Yeah. Go home, my road dark though. But hey, what for just do what for do, you see? Ramblings of Hope.